हमसे ना हो पाएगा. Like mom कह के थक गई कि wardrobe साफ करो, room साफ करो. But to be honest, I really don't know where to start. Like look at this mess. But जिसका कोई नहीं होता, उसका Gobble होता है. So Gobble today is helping me connect with Karishma from my sorted home. She's going to be my virtual genie who's going to help me organize this not so clean space. Hi, how are you doing, Karishma?
I'm good. How are you doing?
I'm surviving through this mess. It's cool.
Don't worry about it. We'll do this one step at a time. So let's begin with you showing me your wardrobe.
Please don't judge, okay? This is the cupboard. This is what it is.
I think I figured out what exactly is the problem right now. So to give you an example, why don't you just get a few clothes for me right now? So I'll teach you how to do it. Just bring a few for now.
Here, I got some clothes and tell me now what's up.
Awesome. We have to find a home for every single thing in your wardrobe. So now, take something in your hand that you definitely love. You're very sure you love it.
White shirts are always my go-to. Like, I think they go with anything and everything. So, see, I can literally wear this like right now and it's so cool.
Perfect. So I wish you could see yourself in the mirror right now when you were talking about it. But you're automatically just so happy at the thought of wearing it. This, by the way, is the definition of spark joy, okay? So, some things you will know instantly whether they spark joy for you or not. But some things may not be very instant. Okay, take something else in your hand. आपने ये लास्ट कब पहना था?
मैं भी अपने आप से यही पूछ रही थी मैं कब पहना था मैंने? Is this even mine?
When you can't remember the last time you wore it, that means आप उसको कभी पहनोगे नहीं. And जो आपको खुशी देता है, you keep that, right? We're going to see what you have in your wardrobe with the aim of what do we want to keep, not हमें फेंकना क्या है. Let's turn it around, okay?
Okay, that sounds like a much better approach. So I'm gonna go with that.
Now go to your cupboard, and I want you to get everything out of your cupboard and put it all on your bed.
Everything?
Every single thing. And once you do that, I want you to ask yourself, will you actually use it? Do you actually love it? Is there somebody else who will love it more than you? Somebody else will love it more than you, then you keep it for them.
Okay, this sounds doable.
So I'm going to leave you to this for today, and I will come back tomorrow and I will teach you how to fold these clothes properly, and we'll work on installation inside your wardrobe. So I'm starting with the keep.
I really don't remember the last time I wore this. I think there's a reason I did not.
Sorry. Bye. You've been nice to me.
I really like it, but I've overworn this, so I think somebody else would really love this in their closet. It was really sweet to me too. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna keep it. I'm gonna keep it. मम्मी यार हेल्प करवा दो प्लीज.
Hi, how are you doing?
Hi, I have survived. I did it. Yes, I'm very proud of myself.
So good to hear. So do you have a good pile of all the clothes that you want to keep and the clothes that you want to give away? Is that sorted?
Yeah, I think so. मतलब इतने सारे कपड़े मैंने निकाले हैं जिसमें I don't remember when I even bought them. I think all in all it was a good day.
So let me show you how I keep my wardrobe organized. So if you see, right on top are all my bags, and I've filed them like books, so it's very easy to see everything and pull it out. So this center shelf has all the things that I access the most, and these things that I've hung are pretty much the fabrics that are very difficult to fold. I've added another hanging rod here for my trousers. These organizers here are great for deep shelf wardrobes because they behave like drawers. Alternatively, you can also use good quality cardboard boxes.
Wow, that is like closet goals.
You can get exactly the same thing for your own wardrobe, don't worry about it. So I've sent you organizers, have you received them? Do you have them with you?
Yes, I did. They are actually very pretty though. Thanks for these.
आपके पास कोई टी-शर्ट है आसपास? मैं आपको फोल्ड करने का तरीका सिखाती हूँ.
हाँ, बिल्कुल. I have this one.
So you lay your t-shirt flat like this, bring it in from here. You just about shoulder it halfway through your shoulders. This extra sleeve, you put that in. You do the same thing for the other side. And now you bring this up But you leave this much. You leave about 1/4 of it. 1, 2, and 3. And this stands up straight.
I think I've gotten all the instructions that I needed. Let me follow them and let me come back to you.
Awesome. Good luck. I know you'll do it.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
I cannot believe कि ये मैंने किया है. Who am I? I've always wanted to do this. See, it was that easy, wasn't it, Zoro?
Hi.
So, what do you think?
Wow. Feels good, doesn't it?
Totally, it totally does. But I just hope it stays this way, you know.
Okay, so now is when I tell you the golden rule. No matter how big a hurry you're in, you are never going to put anything crumpled inside your cupboard. जब भी आपको लेट हो रहा है कहीं जाने के लिए और आप अपने कपड़े वापस नहीं डाल सकते कबर्ड में, तो आप वो कपड़े लेकर एक डंपिंग बैग में डालेंगे. एक लॉन्ड्री बैग हो सकता है, वो कुछ भी हो सकता है. उसमें सिर्फ साफ कपड़े जाएंगे. तो जब आप वापस आओगे, आपके दिमाग में सिर्फ ये चलेगा कि मेरे को ये बैग को साफ करना है. इंस्टेड ऑफ अगर आप सब कुछ अपनी कबर्ड में डाल दोगे वापस, तो आपके दिमाग में चलेगा मेरे को पूरी कबर्ड साफ करनी है. साइकोलॉजिकली इट डजंट वर्क वेल.
That actually sounds, you know, so much more doable than this whole, you know, cleaning my whole cupboard thing. I think I'm definitely gonna use this for the longer run. Thank you so much, you guys.
You're most welcome.
Hi guys, I really hope आज मेरे साथ साथ आपने भी बहुत सारी चीजें सीखी हैं.
और अगर आपके पास ऑर्गेनाइजिंग टिप्स हो, आप हमें कमेंट सेक्शन में बताएं.
If you want more tips and tricks just like this, you need to go and follow My Sorted Home.
And keep watching Gobble.